Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disorder that is characterized by the destruction of pancreatic islet cells, which eliminates the capacity to produce insulin that the body needs to survive. Type 1 diabetics cannot independently regulate their blood sugar and therefore experience hypo and hyperglycemia with fasts and meals. Treatment accounts for $14.9 billion per year, mainly due to high insulin prices.
Type 1 diabetes affects 1.25 million Americans. Common treatments for this disorder, such as insulin pumps and injections, don't cure the disease and often result in secondary complications such as blindness and amputation.
Islet cell transplantation via hydrogel macroencapsulation of islets is a potential therapy to treat type 1 diabetes in the absence of immunosuppression, but the limitation is sufficient oxygen and nutrient transport across the hydrogel barrier. Insufficient nutrient transport could result in cell hypoxia and irreparable malfunction as an in vivo transplant.
The goal is to design a clinically translatable injection molding device kit that can generate hydrogels of complex geometries without damaging islets upon injection, then place subcutaneously in the momentum for proper oxygenation. This patent-protected technology has the potential to change the course of treatments for type 1 diabetics to create a better quality of life compared to existing treatments. Our product is a self-sustaining therapy that does not need daily monitoring by the patient.
The design of our product will start by creating the hydrogel that is included in our kit in powder form.
The pre-gelled hydrogel accompanied by the cells is injected into the 3D printed injection mold and held together by a custom clamp.
The mold is carefully removed from the clamping system.
The top of the mold is removed, revealing the final spiral geometry shape, and then the second layer of hydrogel is added on top of the spiral geometry to prepare it for extraction.
This leaves us with our final product that can be transplanted bedside directly into the patient.
But don't just take our word for it. Here are our actual type 1 diabetic future customers.
As a type 1 diabetic, this product would be very appealing to me,
as it would improve my quality of life every day.
Therefore, I approve of this INSPIRAL product.